Okay, people, this is Don Cassidy. My phone number is 290-2946, area code 361, also area code 361, phone number 290-1501. I will, for a small amount of money, probably about $10 an hour, help you get rid of your dead trees and help you rebuild your broken, fallen down fences, or just take down your fallen down fences. Call me at either one of these numbers or reach me at donaldcassidy@att.net or cassidyseller@gmail.com. Also at cassidypainting.com on yellowpages.com. Okay, so if you have a falling down tree from the windstorm yesterday and a blackout and a broken down fence, just call. That's all. From Amazon.com, affiliates and associates will be glad to help you out.